Hello everybody, Redundancy back, also known as CR. And let's reuse coffee creamer containers. So, first and foremost, it's a container. So you can use this to store something like candy, rice, something like that. Maybe you want to bring some candy or whatever, camping or whatever. You can use this as a container to bring it. Has a lid. Has threads on it, pretty deep threads in it, stuff like that. Now, depending on ones that you get, the type of plastic might differ. So in this one right here, you'll see that this is number 2 plastic. So anyone out there that likes to make stuff with HDPE, high density polyethylene, here's the source of HDPE right here. Here's a clear one right here. I got some hair ties on it, just to store them. Something simple, nothing too special. Now some of them have a wider opening, like this one here, compared to the other one. So you could put something in to keep it kind of more water resistant, away from rain and stuff like that. So here's a normal size big lighter. Boom, it fits inside. Put the lid on. If I wanted to, I could put a piece of plastic on the top, then put the lid on. So maybe I got some tinder in here or something. Now I got the lighter in there, so it'll keep it nice and dry and ready to go. Taking this as an example, you can cut right around here and make one of these guys right here. I've smoothed and melted this side down so it's nice and flat. And basically you can use it as a way to seal up a bag. Let's say chip bag, crackers, something similar to that. So here's an empty chip bag. So basically unscrew it, put it through the middle. Now obviously you'll need enough so you can pull it through, so obviously you need to eat enough of the crackers, chips, or whatever. Pull this through, like so. So most of the packaging is on the outside, or sticking out. Press that flat. And what I'll do here is actually I'll add some air in so you can see it. Put the lid on and screw it on. Now, the chips were in here, they'd be good. And I guess if you have a larger chip bag, you probably could make an improvised pillow with this too. So 2 for 1 right there. So these are just a couple of things you could do with coffee creamers and reuse them before you recycle them. From a source of HDPE, keep your snacks sealed, keep your fire starting items like a lighter dry, maybe store some hair ties, store candy, rice, whatever you want in it. It's up to you. Dry stuff, anything like that. So as the world changes so much oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video from me, it's peace out from the guy that's in creation mode up to 98.6% of the time and trying to reuse these resources before recycling. It's peace out from Creative Redundancy. Peace out from CR.